Hi, my name is Michael O'Donnell, and I'm going to do this video to just recommend Go Green Company. Now, I'm an apartment manager, and I have been working with them for more than 5 years. And this is the company that you want to call in case of a fire, mold, water, bacteria emergency, anything like that that you might have. They are great, and they're punctual. They take care of everything, and they're extremely professional. So I can highly recommend them. Once again, call them if you have any kind of an emergency. Give them a buzz.